Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have a watch review. And this watch review is thanks to Harun from, let me move this back here, from Watchmade. So his Instagram will be also in the description. He contacted me on Instagram when I unboxed and reviewed this another Bulova, and he told me he has a Bulova that I would really like, and he was right. Definitely, really my favorite Bulova watch until now. It reminds me a lot from my Movado watch that I had from the 1940s, which had also the shape doesn't similar looks to this one. And yeah, so let's get down to the review. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe and also leave a like. Always helps the channel. So coming back to the review. So like I said, let's start from the shape of the watch. So it has a classical shape. As you can see, in the past they used to uh, weld the lugs to the case, and this is the look that they used to have of welded lugs. And the case shape and size is very classical as well. So this is the box. As you can see, here is the reference number 96A242 Bulova, and comes with a leather strap, signed buckle. So this is a calf leather strap stamped with a crocodile pattern, so croco calf, and it also comes with a bracelet. The clasp here is unsigned, so stamped clasp, and so I didn't use the bracelet, to be honest, because it's for me it's addition that for such a watch definitely use this canvas strap on it, and it looks really nice on it. So let's get these out of the way. So the dimensions of the watch, let's zero it again. It's a 38 point, let's say 38.5, lug to lug 46.5, thickness is around 12.5 with a domed crystal, mineral crystal, and 20 millimeter lug width. And we can see in the back we have the automatic Miyota movement with a caliber 821A. We'll be putting it also on the time grapher because I've been wearing it constantly this week. It has water resistance, so I guess 30 meters water resistance, so hand washing, and signed crowned as well with the Bulova logo. The dial has numerals at each 2 hours, so 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and it has a polished finish for the whole case. As you can see, it has a really nice finish. And on this canvas strap on my 17.2 centimeter wrist, we can see how it looks. I tried it on a lot of straps lately, and I'll show you a couple of options now. So my second favorite option was this bark and jack NATO strap, black NATO strap, as you can see. My third favorite option was on this paratrooper, as you can see. Very nice summer uh, strap, and it just complements this blue dial, this very nice kind of sunburst blue, like deep navy blue, which I really like as well. So let's get down to seeing how the movement inside this watch performs. So I wore it for 1 week, so it should have more or less the average of how much time it will lose or how much time it will gain. So as we can see, it's just between +9 and +12, which is quite respectful. For a Miyota movement, even it has 0.1 milliseconds, so it's quite good. I don't know if you see this, but this is the difference between two lines, and it's going on a skewed up. If it's 0, 0, it will be going straight ahead, 0 here and 0 here, I mean. And it's running on 21600, so nice sweep seconds movement. So let's take this out of the frame. So to conclude the video, I'm really thankful for Harun for him lending me this watch, and I did really enjoy it a lot. For me, it's always cool to see such watches that has perfect vintage integration for the design and function. So you have the perfect re-inspiration of a vintage piece that you can actually wear day in day out, especially with an automatic. And as a watch collector, that let's say I'm a seasoned watch collector, I don't care about see-through case back if it's a, yeah, let's say off the shelf movement like this Miyota, which is not a bad movement. But for someone that's this is her or his first watch, and they would like to see, or their first automatic watch, first mechanical watch, and they would like to see the movement, I think it's a good thing to have as well. And I think the price is quite good for this watch, and if you get it discounted, it's even better. So that's about it. And yeah, it does work for me with this bracelet actually, but I really like to do this canvas strap. It's from Elliot, and it's just unaffiliated, but I had several of these before, which I sold with some of the watches that I sold. And because the buyer requested them, because they saw a picture and they were like, hey, could you send this bracelet, this strap with it? And I was like, yeah, sure, of course. And I always buy them again because they're really comfy, they're really rugged, and they look good. So that's about it. So if you're still here, please do hit the subscribe button, which is right above here, and you might find 2 videos that you might like. And don't forget also to hit the like button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye.